sisikeleni Afrika baluphakanyisa ukholo lwayo izwa imithandazo yethu Yakolisi amamshaye mfethu mshaye kancane njalo kodwa mshaye once amangeke uzohluleka abantu
Are you guys ready? Yeah! Is everybody good? Yeah! Are you guys excited to be here? Yeah! Wow! Well, on behalf of Guluva and BBMzansi, thank you guys so much for coming, although you guys asked for this. You commented till you were blue in the face, and it's finally happening. You asked for this meet and greet, and it is happening right here, right now. Can you guys please give it up for Ashley?
God bless each and every one of you, and yeah, you'll be hearing me more.
Love it.
Very soon on radio, so you won't miss my voice or my live.
Oh, I'm excited for you. I really am. You're such a lovely girl. You just have such amazing energy. You're so warm. So lovely to meet you. I wish you nothing but the best. So the moment that you go on radio, please let us know so that we can all tune in.
Thank you so much.
What else are you interested in apart from that?
I'm interested in everything. That's why I say all perspectives are nice to me. Like I was watching crossbred animals the other day, so I'd even want to be a scientist. So
I'm excited.
So literally everything, radio, obviously, reality, presenting. I really want to present because I have a lot to say when I'm given something to say, not just in general though. Everything social.
Fantastic. Thank you so much. If you missed out on this interview, Quite simple. You can catch it on www.metrofm.co.za, and you can catch us on our social media pages. If you missed out on my mix, you can catch it on my links. I've dropped the links throughout all my social media pages. You'll catch them there. Cheers.
You also have things that you're not posting on social media.
But I mean, some people, I like watching love also. So if you post a relationship, I'll be like, oh, let me watch that.
That's cute.
Yeah.
Okay, 060-552-7303. Speaking about things that we think should not be going on social media. I'm going to edit.
His eyes, you see oh, he took pictures.
No, I sent pictures
Uma casa. Fala aí, goodbye.